Gomal Zam Dam at a glance. The dam site is at Khajuri Kutch, 60 kilometers west of Tang, in the restive region of South Waziristan. The 437 feet high roller compacted concrete dam is built on a prominent tributary of the Indus called Gomal River. The region is arid with high summer and low winter temperatures. Lands are fertile. Rain-fed torrents sustain seasonal agriculture. The irrigation portion of the project is located in the districts of Tang and Dera Ismail Khan, which border South Waziristan. Dera Ismail Khan is the southernmost district of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. It has a rich culture and ancient history, defined by trade and business. There is agriculture only in limited places where water is available. The area is marked by an acute lack of development. Tang and Dera Ismail Khan are the only major urban centers. The people are largely poor. Majority of the population is living below poverty line, with women ending up as the poorest among the poor.
पानी की ज़रूरत है साको 3-4 साल बारिश नहीं होती पानी पीवन का नहीं होता बड़े असन लोग तंग होने हैं 8-10 मीलों को खरके रेडियो गाड़े दे उत्ते भर के रहने बड़े तकलीफ विच होने ऐसा 4-5 हज़ार दे कनाल दे मालिक है इतना साडी रोज़ी कोई नहीं
सोचना सा मर गए बुढ़े घर के मजदूरियां कर साहब बनसी नहर वाला था सादा कोई टुकर थी.
A large number cannot find livelihoods in these dry mountains and migrate to the bigger cities for jobs. Transport, especially cargo, is the most prominent business in the area. Construction on Gomal Zam began in August 2002 as a priority project in the government of Pakistan's water sector development plan called Vision 2025. However, work had to be stopped in October 2006 when the security situation took a turn for the worse in the South Waziristan. Limited resources also significantly contributed to slowing the pace of completion. The project has 5 components. A 133 meters high, curved, gravity-type roller compacted concrete dam, a powerhouse, an irrigation system to cater to 191,062 acres of land, a flood protection works, and on-farm development works. The Government of Pakistan's Water and Power Development Authority will operate the dam and the power plant. The irrigation and agriculture system would be operated by the provincial government. A 63-kilometer long lined canal is still to be completed. A barrage at Kot Murtaza is also part of the project. As a result of this, the irrigation infrastructure and surrounding communities will stay safe from flash flooding. people are excited about increased incomes resulting from better yields. Everyone knows the local economy will be enjoying better, prosperous times.
कहते हैं कि कुलाची में और डैम शो रही है। डैम के 1880 से हिस्ट्री है। आज दिन तक हमें मिला नहीं है। प्यासे हम मर जाएंगे, डैम शायद उनके बाद बन जाएंगे। लेकिन शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अभी हमारे उम्मीद हो चुका है। हमारा भी पूरा ताउन होंगे इनके साथ।
The construction of Gomal Zam would bring about a change in the lives of people in South Waziristan and its surrounding belt. Everyone understands that poverty will be meaningfully reduced once their economic conditions are stable after the completion of the Gomal Zam project.
I am the Chief Engineer and Project Director of Gomal Zam Dam project. The dam is in South Waziristan tribal area, where is the command area is in the settled area of district Tam and Dey Khan. I belong to Masood tribe. This project is very much beneficial for the tribal area as well as for the settled area. We are very thankful of the USAID that they will help us, financial help they will give us, and we will complete this project in time.